Every student and builder knows this feeling. Your head is full, deadlines, side projects, or habit you keep meaning to fix, an email you haven't replied to. You write a to-do list, and it's just a flat pile of tasks with no sense of actually what to do right now. So the problem is never capturing tasks; it's organizing them, knowing what's urgent, what can wait, and how everything connects. That's why we built the visual second brain to solve. Our tagline says this West. You tell us what to do and we'll tell you when. Let me show you how it works. So this is the landing and sign in page, and we'll make an account right now. Okay, so I will sign in using an account. This is an already made account. If we have to sign up, it will ask for OTP verification, which will be sent to your email ID. Okay, so this is the heart of the app. So we have 4 zones here. It is divided into 4 quadrants based on the Eisenhower matrix. The top left is the do now, which is the most urgent and important, and top right is the schedule, which are important tasks but not so urgent. So and bottom left is the delicate, urgent but not important, and bottom right is the drop, which is neither of them. So this is the brain dump, where we can paste anything, whatever our rough ideas are. For example, get approval from Prof. Anita for my SOP and submit. The application. Study for my DBMS exam tomorrow. Revise SQL joins and drinking and quit smoking. First we clear this and then organize. Okay, so it has joined similar tasks. For example, get an SOP approval is followed by a SOP application, and studying DBMS. First, to study DBMS, we have to revise SQL joins, and these are 2 scheduled tasks, which is quit drinking and quit smoking, which doesn't have a fixed deadline, and submit SOP and application are urgent and they are very important, so they are in the do now. Now I'll say another thing. Revise SQL query. So if I do this, then so it automatically attaches itself to the group 1, which is the SQL joins, because it is similar in theory. So that's why we have to revise SQL query, SQL joins, study for DBMS. So the algorithm does a union find between similar looking tasks and clumps them in and groups them together. We can also make our own groups using this. So we can restructure our own data however we like. And if you need a quick start, these are some ready-made templates that you can use. Add to canvas, check submission deadline, we can do it delegate, which is not important but urgent, And the most important is a YouTube roadmap maker. We just need to uh, paste a YouTube link and it will generate a roadmap on its own. For example, to study RPC, we just paste the link and it has created a, a roadmap on its own by just looking at the transcript of the video. So it makes our work a lot easier. And for the curious, this is built on Next.js and React Flow with Next Auth and Postgres database deployed on Vercel. The uh, AI runs on a triple fallback system: Grok first for speed, then Claude, then Gemini. So it stays fast and never goes down. And as I mentioned, grouping uses real graph theory and not just prompts, which is what makes it dependable. So this is the deployment. And it's working on Vercel.